that's where inhlamvu yokuqala ingena ekhanda uyakubona, because he's got multiple gunshot wounds on his body. But from the witnesses who were describing what happened, this happened firstly uqale wamdubula ekhanda at the back, and then the second one went in entameni, and then the rest again uyakubona. He wasn't that far. He had the gunshots.
Yeah.
Uyakubona, and he knew ukuthi zikhala la. Uyakubona, because mangibuke isikhathi, it's not like isikhali after 2 minutes or after ntontoni, literally in seconds. And now he does not even bother to go and notify the family ukuthi angeni ubhekani lapha ngathi kumoshakele. Instead masiluku sifunana nomuntu only on Tuesday.
Sanbonani, welcome to Echo TV, and this is The Sacred Dialogue. My name is Tubelihle Wagwadunga, and today we have our lovely guest, uThulani. Uzozithulela ukuthi ubani, but as I said, we are Echo TV and we are live from YouTube. Don't forget, please do comment, subscribe, and also share the podcast so that other people can join us. So I want to put...
Hi, greetings, Bunjan.
Ngiyaphila wena unjani?
Ndiphilile khona sithandwa sami.
uThulani.
Right.
Sinothulani.
Yeah, igama.
Thulani, please tell us who you are and where you're from and uzeleni namhlanje.
Yeah, igama uThulani wakamdlalose, coming all the way from Soweto Pimville. Sidibene today, I think, just to, sizo digita and engage on what transpired not so long ago when my cousin, my brother actually, was brutally murdered at the hands of a police officer, so
Okay.
it's been that for the past couple of months. Yeah.
Do you mind take us through ukuthi what really happened and how did you lose your brother, your cousin?
So the incident happened, I think it was the 21st of September, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Around the late afternoon, around evening times. So what happened is that Umfowethu on a Sunday afternoon, he left home going to, have fun and chill with Amachita, have drinks and all of that. That's where he met with his friends actually, and that's where he met the murderer, Kamalake Utsepiso Kamalapane.
Okay.
They did not know each other. They met through a mutual friend. So now Ulebu was working as a security officer, yakubona. So I think the conversation began to say okay ntwana, because of wena usipane intweni kanje nangu umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi ukhulumisane naye makuwukuthi ufuna information yokuthi mhlawumbe ungena kanjani esiphoyiseni yonke leyo nto leyo. Lebu, this is Tepiso, this is Ulebu.
Okay.
At around emini before the incident took place. Kuhlalwe, that's when they decided to move from the park la bebahleli khona to go to a place of entertainment where they were having drinks and all of that. I think it was a group of like 5 or 6 of them, but obviously as time goes on, banye bayahamba imajita singendlini where until I think it was just the 3 of them left, my brother, the mutual friend, and Utsepiso. Now an incident took place at the establishment ebebahleli kuyona, where the witnesses say Utsepiso was physically assaulting a woman in the environment, embeta izing and stuff like that. Okay. So now Ulebu being Ulebu, uhleze khuzile uyakubona yonke leyo nto leyo. So uyakhuzwa mfowethu ukuthi indoda phuma lapho hlisa umoya in hayi. That's when this is all witnesses saying ukuthi he was then aggressive, that's where inkulumo iphume khona ukuthi yazi nithi ngihambe ngothatha isibhamu sami ngizanikhomba nina uyakubona. So phuma kwabo I think baphuma bayalandelana uyakubona. Now they drove from that place until they reached where Utshepiso was residing with his girlfriend. It's not his actual place they're renting. Actually, it's the girlfriend that's renting. So he frequently goes there to visit Uyakubona. So that weekend he was there. And when they got there, that's where now the friend Esuga from the crime scene. I think moments before this transpired, because I think there were conversations or an argument or whatsoever. So according to what I'm picturing in my head, Utshepiso is driving, Ulebu is on the passenger side, and now the friend is in the back. So ekphumeni kwa friend, Utshepiso immediately walks out naye going to the side where Ulebu was, and that's where inhlamvu yokuqala ingena ekhanda uyakubona, because he's got multiple gunshot wounds on his body. But from the witnesses who were describing what happened, this happened firstly uqale wamdubula ekhanda at the back, and then the second one went in entameni, and then the rest again uyakubona.
Like, njengoba ngimamele so ngizibuza imibuzo ukuthi okay, from the establishment labe bahleli khona, and then to them going wherever labe baya khona, and then bese kuyaliwa nje kanjalo. Like from ifight ukuthi umkhuzile ukuthi ayekele ukubamba ugeli.
Uyakubona. So again, witnesses who were there, who some of them know the person, because he's not a stranger in the Pimville community. He doesn't stay in Pimville, but uyaziwa, you understand. So uyaziwa vele ukuthi umuntu onolaka nayo yonke leyo nto leyo. I don't know, but engakusho nekufika ekhanda lami right now, singasho sithi umfowethu kufa kwakhe kusinde abaningi, because inhloso bekuwukuthi ngisayilanda the weapon and ngiyabuya ngizonikhomba uyakubona. So he could have gone back and
wadubula abantu abaningi
uyakubona. So umfowethu ekukhuzeni kwakhe in trying to salvage the situation, these people don't know each other uyayibona yonke leyo nto leyo. Now the crazy part as well is that when my brother was lying dead on the floor, he is now strategically trying to execute a crime scene uyakubona, because that's when the witnesses say they saw him going into the yard la beqhashe khona nontombazane, and then he came out with a backpack of msebenzi with his I don't know, documents whatsoever you, and now uvusa Ulebu from the ground, umtetisa lesi sikhwama lesi sengathi mhlawumbe ebezama ukumbamba inkunzi or whatever, and then uthatha the weapon ambulele ngayo uyibeke esandleni sakhe uyakubona. Not only did he do that, but witnesses did describe ukuthi esembulele esewile phansi igazi ligcwele. Now he was still raging of anger, emkhahlela, he was literally destroying his face, from what I heard and what I saw when I saw it, because this happened on a Sunday. Now Ulebu doesn't come back home. Okay, he could be anywhere. No one's panicking. Monday, he was supposed to go to work on Monday. Uphuma nje eya endaweni zakhe la bekayikhona emaphakini eyohlala nalabo bangani bakhe, ebe umuntu obeselungisile ukuthi kusasa ngiyavuka ngimsebenzini uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Now iyadlula iMonday umuntu akatholakali. That's when now I think the panic started, because his home is in zone 3, I'm in zone 4, so we don't stay together uyakubona full time, but we're that close. So only on Tuesday morning Was it Tuesday? I think it was on Tuesday morning when it was 8 o'clock in the morning. I was preparing for a patient, ebeze esigodlweni, you know, and I hear a knock on my door. When I hear a knock on my door, ngiyayehla ngiyavula emnyango, and I see two gentlemen, omunye ubhuti kaLebo and a friend. And I look at their faces and I ask them ukuthi iphi intwana yami. Uyakubona, like bekungakhulumeki, uyabona amadoda uyabuza ukuthi ayibo yini kwenze njani, iphi intwana yami. Bona abantu baziluma amalimi ini yonke leyo nto le. Hayi madoda nginani kuhlalwe phansi. I mean, kuyanuka uyayizwa lento mara
Awazi ukuthi yini.
I mean, come on, kanjani uyayibona leyo nto, madoda ahlala phansi, madoda kwenze njani. Iphi intwana yami, imkhulu uLebo dubuliwe washa kwacima ini. I'm like, okay, shapa sambeni ukuziphi isibhedlela simbona.
Exactly.
But kimi ndoda, I'm like, ukuziphi isibhedlela uyakubona. But hayi bayabamba bayayeka, ngiyabezwa mara ngibezwa still uyakubona. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I can see ukuthi ibuyisa ama memories. I mean, the exact episodes that happened ngalelo langa lelo, and my deepest condolences to Lani. I can see ukuthi mhlambe you had a very special bond no Lebo, and his passing is ngenye indlela nje, and you couldn't understand, but my deepest condolences for that. So if senihleli ke sebayachazela ukuthi what happened, and then what's the next step, kwayenzakalani, and finding the body there, if it
so like, now this is still the three of us sitting in the lounge, and I'm like, no, let me verify. Ngithatha phone, I call ubhuti ka baba ka Lebo, Lebo's uncle.
Yeah.
Thatha phone, Malumpe, ugcine nokukhuluma noLebo. Hawu Lebo, ngimgcine last man, benginike ilift nini. Sho kwenzakalani? Hayi asazi next. Hayi ngiphume kubo. Phone futhi ngifonela umunye manje uThebo, kwenzakalani? Ngicine ngikhuluma hey Lebo, ngicine nini day before emafonini or nton. And I'm like, ayo manje sekumele bazwe ngami laba into engayazi kwamina, because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. uLebo ugcina kwami ukumbona was the week before. It was the week before bekunomgidi ebengubambile lapha eJardini weekend yonke, and he came on the Sunday busy laphayana. Like he was busy hands on nje eyenza whatever mela yenze, nami ngibusy nomgidi wami, and he left very late that night, you know. He left very late that night. I think it was 11 p.m. Now, because of I was busy delegating umgidi, this and that, I didn't have time to sit down and, you know, don't. And I remember he kept on nagging for my attention. You know, at wena ngithandi, wena nginaki ngizokuvakashela ubhizi uyangisebenzisa ngisingithwasa lakho lana whatever ngithi awume kancane wena uyakubona. So yeah, so now I'm telling the family ukuthi bafethu angenisondela ngathi kuyanuka.
Yeah,
uyakubona. So now yeah, that's what happened. So the next thing was to, well, Abo Putibak and the friend Oramantai, when they came, they had already come from the police station, you know, because agwaziwa ukuthi umuntu ukuphi yakubona. And the funny thing is that njengoba ngisho ukuthi makwenzakala yonke lento lena, the third person in the picture who introduced the two uTshepiso yaphuma emotweni yaphuma loyana he wasn't that far. He had the gunshots.
Yeah.
Uyakubona, and he knew ukuthi zikhala la. Uyakubona, because mangibuke isikhathi, it's not like isikhali after 2 minutes or after ntontoni, literally in seconds. And now he does not even bother to go and notify the family ukuthi angeni yobhekani lapha ngathi kumoshakele. Instead masiluku sifunana nomuntu only on Tuesday kuba uye othi angeni yobhekani nasema police station mhlawumbe ebelazi iqiniso.
Sheesh.
Uyayibona le ndaba leyo. So now yeah, it was a holiday, if I'm not mistaken, because we could not then go to the morgue and, you know, do the proper identification and tontone. I think it was around Heritage or something like that.
Okay.
So we then had to wait for the next day. But however, from my house, we had to go to the crime scene now. Bafethu. A crime scene.
So,
Which,
askis kancane, before you go to the crime scene, I need to understand ukuthi on Tuesday mabeza bakutshela this thing ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
yeah.
Sekasusiwe lapho.
Ususwe on the very same day.
Okay.
So this is what happened.
So uthola amaphoyisa.
This is what happened after he was shot lying dead. Umfana lona uphoyisa ese yenze i-7 ye playboy ye stage laphayana in that's when he started going on his phone now calling his friends,
okay,
who are also amaphoyisa. Uyakubona. Now we live in Pimville and our nearest police station is Kliptown. Uyakubona. Yet amaphoyisa okuqala okufika laphayana were not abantu base-Kliptown, yilabo befonelwe uye lo mfana lona esithi mamelani nangomfana umuntu ebezongibamba inkunzi ini inhlanhla leyo ke nakukhona abantu ababhekile bathi angeke usitshele leyo nto leyo. Obviously bayasaba ukusondela umuntu uphethe isibhamu.
Yeah.
Bamelele kude bayabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngathi kwaba khona ke nothintayo vele abantu bomthetho. So he was arrested on scene.
Okay.
Uyakubona. After the arrest wasuswa kumzimba kalibo, but now no one knows who this boy lying down is. Ubusa bonakali.
Ish.
It's kusebusuku. Uyakubona. So uhambe unknown.
Ish.
From laphayana, hence it was difficult to locate him.
Nokuthi nimthole, yes.
Uyakubona. Only after say baye police station bayobheka, that's where I think bathola umkhondo khona ukuthi hayi vele umuntu kanje nakanje kwayenza ama description nani. I think they got a visual picture or something that confirmed ukuthi hayi uyena ngempela. Uyakubona. So it's just that we couldn't go and identify exactly on the same day because it was a holiday and these institutions bezivaliwe. Uyakubona. So yeah, the offender, the murderer, was arrested on scene. Waseyathathwa ke kanjalo. So it's now days going njengoba engaziwe lebo ukuthi kuphi, and only then after these days sesiba ne idea ukuthi kwenzakalani. So now we have to now go siye kule crime scene yakhona laphayana and seeing the blood on the street. It didn't make sense. It still doesn't make sense. Ikoko nginyanga ngihlezi ngihlabile ngenza imisebenzi igazi lichitheke phansi emara ngikaze ngalibona igazi kanje. Bekungathi ngiyaqala angazi ukuthi bekungathi kwenzakalani. Uyayibona. And now sekumele siyocleana laphayana.
Yeah.
Sekumele clean igazi lomfowenu. And what also kills me the most is that this is days after. sho ukuthi nje abantu balokhu bayadlula like
bayahamba bayanyathela.
like hi hello hello uyakubona. So yeah, we had ukuthi manje si plan funeral.
Ish.
Now we are planning for a funeral. Gogo, I found myself singing kuyo yonke lento ama-memorial nama-funeral, and each time I had ukuthi ngithathe i-mic ngile, it didn't make sense. The plan daughter was to sing at your wedding,
How?
not your funeral. Uyakubona. So yeah, it's been that, man. It's been that. I feel him.
Yeah, no, it's very sad. I can see namanje ukuthi kunzima ukamkela ukulahlekelwa umuntu obeka close nawe. Mangisho kanjalo, I'd like us to go back. Tell us about a relationship yakho no Lebo. How was it? I ngiyazi ukuthi uthi beningama cousins, but sikhula sikhula sonke senza izinto ezithize sonke, like the fun times that you had no Lebo, or what kind of a relationship did you have no Lebo?
Okay, before I go any further, ithi nje emphasize tena ngithi bekuyistoko bekashisa lilayelo bhunu leliyana mamela, and bekazazi naye, you know. Lebo was confident.
Okay.
Yakubona. He was confident, and you know, from childhood nje, he's never been violent or shown any signs of what la kuno Lebo khona kuyahlekwa. It's fun vibes, you know. To a point ukuthi after during high school, during high school I started doing music professionally.
Okay.
You know, when I was doing gigs, traveling, bookings and all of that. Hey bafethu uLebo ngathi manager yami. Yakubona. Actually bekahlala sho kanjalo athi ngimanager yami.
Yeah, ngekani.
Yeah, uLebo bekangakwata if he sees a post ukuthi Man of Song bekase stage and he didn't know about that. Yo mamela izosuka. Izosuka kusho ukuthi kuzomela ngifonele iband ngimenzele igig lakhe ayi1.
Yeah.
Ukuthi okay, now you can watch me sing. Uyakubona. But it's always been laughs. Lebo was our protector somehow. Come to think of it, njengoba ngisho he was not violent, but also bekanesikhwele ngabafowabo ngomndeni wakhe. Yeah, like abheka yabona nam if bekungathiwa nje ngiyafuna ngithi Lebo naba labo thokoza baqalile or Lebo yazi khona omunye ubhuti kanje ongiphathisa ikhanda mameli he'd make sure ukuthi unami lapho manje athi yazi nisilungisa kanjani yonke lento le uyayibona yonke le nto le. So eish iwish man ifilm yonke le nto lena. You know, because all I can see is his smile, and that it doesn't deserve that. Like literally
He didn't.
And it was so unexpected. Like why, how? And then they say actually perpetrator was self-defense. Uyakubona le nto apply libhayili chomi.
Hayibo.
Wena ngizokushaya ngikutshela.
White Hall.
Luckily no. Think we'll be making our third, if not fourth, appearance in court on the 19th this month for the verdict. Uyakubona. He made an attempt on the first round. Apply la yona ibhayili, but luckily magistrate wathi indaba yakhe inkulumo yakhe ayizwakali, so he's not gonna grant him that. We must come back on the 5th.
Okay.
Then we went back on the 5th, I think it was last week, where he took the stand yena himself. Athi umntana kithi uzidubulile.
Hayibo.
Mzala, athi umntana kithi uzidubulile and stuff. So still the magistrate didn't give a verdict. uthe sibuye ngomhla ka-19 to hear ukuthi sithini isinqumo whether he is granted or not. Like akayiwa ndawo around ebhayilini nje kokumanje.
Eish. So Thulani, the other person, ubani Tshepiso?
Tshepiso was the police officer.
Oh, the other person,
friend, yeah.
the friend. Kuyo yonke lento eyenzakalayo uthini? Uvela thini? Like, I'm sure we have questions, see family. I'm sure nike nambiza nahlala phansi naye, or if that hasn't happened, has he, maybe is he saying something lapha ngaphandle ukuthi hayi kwayenzakalani in, like ukhona into ayichazayo mhlawumbe?
Actually, it's very sad, you know. It's very sad. But again, I don't know whether it's human nature or what. Because untanga usihlelele kubo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi after the incident took place, he never bothered to reach out to the family in the first place to say, ngathi kunento kanje yenzakele.
Yeah.
Now, after we found out, looking for him, ufihliwe. He went into hiding.
Why?
Whether uzfihle kubo, bayamuvikela or whatever, akwaziwa. Oyakubona, I think it's only recently that the IO went to visit his place, and that's the only time that I heard of his appearance in life. Otherwise, I thought he had eloped or something. But hey, the friends we have with it, the people we call friends. Another thing, I don't think he's bothered. He never showed up anyway. He's not been seen.
Nasemngcwabeni azangazi.
Bani? Oh, anjazi mhlawumbe bekakhona ngimbonanga. Angazi, angimazi futhi angikhaleli nokumazi.
But umngani.
Mabesho. Mabesho, and yeah. Because manje it's really concerning. It's iyathusa iyathusa because mina ngihamba nebhokaza, mina I'm a spiritual person, so it raises questions and concerns ukuthi wena kahle kahle boyothengisa ngomntana kithi or boyowenzani lapha.
Yeah, but usitshele ukuthi
you know, because uyamazi lo mngani wakho introduce lo Tshepiso wakho ukuthi umuntu onjani, because this is not his first murder, by the way. Another thing.
Hayi bo.
Oyakubona, it's not his first thingy. Yet wabuyisela umsebenzini wanikezwe isibhamu.
Ngifuna ukubuza lokho ukuthi if it's not a first, like kwayenzakalani before?
I don't know, but yizo zonke lezo zinto eziyawubonakala enkantolo mhlazane kuthiwa itrial yaqala, engayazi nakhona ukuthi itrial yani investigatewa ini, because this is called murder.
It is.
What are we
Sifunani ngaka?
Yeah, umuntu wakhona as we speak yena akiri he's not arrested with the general population because ungumuntu omthetho. So right to fresh health uvuka ngebreakfast, lunch and supper.
Hayi bo.
Another thing.
So kahle kahle nje nomthetho is failing us.
Yeah, ibhlungu. Ibhlungu. Like ugcina ungasazi ukuthi okay, what must can happen?
Yeah, ne?
Like what must can happen? Yini bazokutshela usection tontoni of what in oh my word, like yeah. So
Thulani, besides from ukumela the verdict from emaphoyiseni nanani, what other measures have you taken as a family mhlawumbe to try and solve or try and see ukuthi wayenzakalani?
You know what, honestly it's still grieving. Like yeah, we are trying to heal and stuff, and stuff, but eyokuthi ini plan of action kwasha kwacima, our heads isagcwele inkungu. Uyakubona, but so far we've been engaging and receiving, you know, help from organizations and entities to say, hey, let's go march, let's do this, let's let's petition, let's do this, let's do that. Uyakubona, now here we are, you know. So honestly, at this point in time, we are seeking for help, you know. I don't know for advice or don't know how can we best win this, because
this.
honestly, if sizothi sizoyekela umthetho nje, I think the biggest thing and the biggest weapon we need right now is a mess. If we can sidibane in one voice and
True.
you know, I think or maybe mhlawumbe kena umaji angaba nozwelo ukuthi hayi bafethu isizwe siyakhala.
Yeah, ne?
So into ebalekile right now engaba lusizo kakhulu ukubona izinto ezikanje zilungiswa ziqondiswa. Umfowethu akangafeli into engekho.
Yeah, true.
Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi kube khona ozothi hayi ngokufa kwalo yamfana uSatan wavalelwe ejele. Uyakubona, because umbone yazi leyanto ingakanani leyanto emnyama inkulu engaka bese ucabanga ulibo ngomzimba omncane, like it doesn't make sense. Like it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Bese umuntu athi self defense intontoni uzibulele.
Eish. Yeah.
Ayibo.
So take me to ifamily yakalebo. Angithi uyi cousin nawo bodlalela le. Umama ukhona, ubaba, any siblings, how are they taking it?
Yeah, Lebo has quite, it's not large, but he's got a large family. Uyakubona, umama ukhona usaphila ngomusa kaNkulunkulu.
Siyabonga.
Uyakubona, mangizothi how is she feeling, ngizobe nginamanga.
Yeah, ne.
Uyakubona, ngizobe nginamanga because I khulumeki. Uyakubona, but with the other siblings and stuff, I guess we are trying our level best to find comfort from keeping positive thoughts and happy memories zakalebo. Uyakubona, you know, omunye uzokufonela athi mkhulu yazi ngiphuphulebo athi ku right phuphe ini or ngizwa ngathi. So honestly, that's the only comfort we have right now. Ukuthi we are confident, we are confident and we feel ukuthi iking yethu ayilelanga.
Yeah, uzozwela naye.
Iking yethu ayilelanga. Yeah, kunzima. Gogo ukhona naye. And then utatakhe
Another one.
You another thing. Ngoba sinaba abazali, my lord.
Oh yeah, ulo mzali. Yeah.
So it's really sad and stuff, you know, but mushito tshwantse utswele pele ukuthi kanjani angazi. But what I know is that I'm tired, I'm done. Can the year end already?
Yeah.
Like it's too much.
So this thing iyenzakale nini?
This was in September. Yeah.
This year. Hayibo. So this is fresh. Into yamanje nje le eqeda ukuyenzakala.
Like now.
Yeah, no. Hey.
It's very fresh, you know. And go to the previous 2 weeks before, or a couple of weeks before, we had buried my grandmother, and we were there, and everything was fine. But yeah, I know no one saw this coming.
Yeah, we can't.
No one saw this coming. That's why ngithi isese fresh, sisasamphulisa amanye.
Yeah, ifresh.
But inhliziyo ziyopha.
Kakhulu.
Ibhetri liyaphela.
Eish. I can imagine.
And kune load shedding.
Eish.
Ngapha imvula iyanetha. So injalo.
Ngapha fanele ni prepare zonke lezi zinto lezi.
Chomi imali yomngcwabo.
Eish.
Who ngisho noma kuthiwa unantontoni like planning a funeral.
It's a lot.
Ayibo. Like Examele shoot a music video, senze. Like there was a lot to do. It still doesn't make sense. Like we had plans. And he always made these plans and we always tried our best to execute them. You know, so hey, kunzima man. Kunzima. Kodwa ke. Sinto zakhona.
Ulebo bekana ngakhe?
Lebo bekuyintanga yami 26 27 lapha.
He was still young.
We are the same age.
No mntwana, no anything.
Yo.
So his life was just cut short before angayenza anything. It's very sad. That's why ngithi nje kubhlungu ukuthi ilo mhlaba esiphila kuyo izinto zayenzeka ezinye izinto asazi nokuthi sithola kuphi impendulo. I mean siyazibuza ukuthi why and like kwenzakaleni and akekho umuntu ozophendula. The only person owazi iqiniso uyilo ohleli uboshiwe manje and uyo ngasho ukuthi kahle kahle this is what happened and like ngathi ngakhuleka ngithi
ungayizwa iwish ephuma lumeno lo yamfana.
uthi
hey
besides from self defense ikhona ezinye izinto azikhulumayo.
He's offering his deepest condolences to the family. Tuyazisola akazi naye kwenzakaleni.
Hayibo.
If it wasn't Lebo bekuzoba uye.
So usho ukuthi uLebo bekaze tubulene mhlawumbe.
Yes, angazi man, angazi kodwa hey mara isipoko sakhe siyamlahla labalayi. Siyamlahla isipoko sakhe hopefully, you know, but he's talking nonsense. Literal nonsense. Ayikho lento ayikhulumayo. But ke injalo, so hey we are just hopeful man and in prayer ukuthi on the 19th makubuyelwa laphayana kukhulumeke into evakalayo because having to go to court njalo
It's strenuous
ayibo
too much. Especially because angakahili lento leyisaseyintsha. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njalo manje yalaphayana kuvuka konke lokho kwayenzeka. I mean nami ngiso having to ask questions ukuthi what really happened, take me back there. Ivuse enye into so uye laphaya uyobukana nalomuntu oyenzile lento and kungabi ne verdict right. It's
mbone lapha nefamily yakhe yazi babona ukuthi inkosi yami mara uNkulunkulu khona somehow
Always.
everywhere kahle you know because each time maka appear nelawyer bonke bayamgapha.
Yeah, because asikho story.
First time siye laphayana emgaphi lo yakhe indoda ile ayingangami. Njengoba sekabuya ngomunye manje sayobona futhi ngi19. Uyakubona, so can this end already?
Yeah, ne?
Like can it end? We are tired. It's a lot.
So amaphoyisa ayeza efamilini, did they ever come bazozwa mhlambe your side ukuthi nifunani about this person?
Right now, at this point in stage and time, there is an allocated officer who's the investigating officer who is responsible for all of that. But kwayena nje I'm losing confidence in him. Uyangistressa lo ya baba. My lord ngathi babudlile kuseni. Like ngicela uthole ipapa.
Akana energy.
Uthole ipapa udle. Uyakubona because he's got the information, he's got the facts. But when he gets on that stand, he's speaking as if he's not sure, as if he's biased.
Yo.
Man sengathi kumishini like angifuni ukuyisho lento but abantu bayathengwa. So we don't know kahle sixakekile gogo. Yeah, he's allocated. I don't want to say doing his best, but I'm not seeing it. I'm not insulting, but akabhatali Netflix abukela ama-movie ukuthi kwenziwani enkantolo because la yenzayo he's so soft, he's so like the conversation magistrate umbuza izinto the cross questioning, he's ngingizing, he's ngapha ufuna ukukhuluma nesilungu ungazi ukuthi speak your mother tongue, there's translators in court.
Yeah, once
You wish.
So kwenzakani like in ku-case enje animvulelanga icala lomuntu or kwenzakaleni uboshiwe nje kuphela and yibo abafanele ba-decide ukuthi what happens to him?
I get it right now, the case is in the hands of the state.
Okay. So nina akunamuntu ongathi as a family mhlambe nifuna ukuthi aboshwe lo muntu?
Well, we are fighting. We are fighting, we are trying. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi we are trying to exercise and exhaust every help we can get. Uyakubona, if there is a way, then advise asingene nemsebenzini, uyakubona, because right now thina amandla awekho ngaleyo ndlela le, inkulumo yakho ingena ngapha iphume ngapha, uyakubona. So siyafisa ukuthi ngathi yazini kungaba khona amandla ukuthi mhlawumbe sikwazi ukuzitholela ummeli wethu noma ntontoni. Manje these things, they don't come for 5 rand or
they don't.
5,000, asi 10,000, asi 20, asi 30.
They don't.
Uyakubona. So yilezo zindaba, but sisemkhulekweni mntasekhaya.
Akukho kuyini.
Sisemkhulekweni, we are trying our level best to be hopeful, It's draining, it's a lot. It's painful having to go through your phone, ubonane noLebo and realize ukuthi akasekho. Gosh, mangibukela ama-video namantontoni, like wow, but umfana muyenzile into yakhe yazi.
Uphilile.
Uboyza. No, especially manje on the last one, I was always saying lapha endlini ngithi uLebo yazoplana igigi lokugcina. uLebo uplana igigi lokugcina, because when the news broke out, oh my word, social media went crazy. And thank you to everyone who've been supporting and everything, because that then helped us it attracted attention from your big productions like your ENCA. They came through even on the court, they were there. They've been doing these interviews. We were with other media houses and stuff. So yeah, it was so packed. It was beautiful. Mamela, I think it's because ngimbonile again.
Yeah.
But if bengingambonanga, I'm sure ngabe ngisayiphikisa namanje. I'm sure ngabe ngisayiphikisa. But also ekemboneni kwami, that image ayisuke ekhanda.
Yes.
Gogo ayisuke ekhanda. Ayisuke ekhanda. I remember first time ngimbona at the morgue. Mese bamdonsa laphayana. Thime bavula leya zip laphayana ebafethu. Mntana kithi ulimele.
Yes.
Mntana kithi ulimele kabuhlungu. Mntana kithi ulimele. Lebo beka handsome, but the way his face was disfigured. Boyibona lento ukuthi mebathi bekamnyathela ubuso bisho ukuthini.
Yes.
Ubheke ama-stitch agcwele ekhanda. Yazi the way bekamnyathela ngakhona ubona i-stitch esihamba ikhanda lonke ukuthi kusho ukuthi nesikalibe sesikreka moslana or whatever the case is. Hey, siyazibona sibadala sibancane.
Yo, as I said, guys, you are tuned in with us on Sacred Dialogue, and this is a podcast where we dive deeper and find out ukuthi abantu bafila kanjani with their experiences emhlabeni, and also their sad stories that they need to share with us. So, sihleli la noThulane, who has a very sad story about his brother's passing and how he left us la emhlabeni. guys, if you have any help, you can come forward, comment, share any help that you can give to the family, because as he's saying, they are still mourning, they are still grieving, and they still want to find justice for Ulebogang, because abazi namanje ukuthi what happened. They don't understand ukuthi how was he just brutally murdered like that. So if you have any advices on how to take forth this case, because as he's saying, they are still attending Ikoti, they are still waiting for the verdict. The perpetrator, whatever, is in bars now. But Piera, and he's saying it was all in self-defense, but we siyazi ukuthi abantu bazozikhulumela otherwise when the other party is not there to defend themselves. So guys, please, if you have any help that you can offer to the family, please do reach out. I did say comment, subscribe, and also share the podcast so that people can reach out and help. Thulani, asibuyele back to the scene and the community or the people who saw lento yenzakala. Khona nje umuntu oke wayichaza kahle ukuthi what really happened, or bonke abakhuluma into eyi-one ukuthi what happened?
Yeah, well, inkulumo iyafana. Inkulumo iyafana. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi kusho ukuthi yena ebecabanga ukuthi abamboni. Uyakubona? Kusho ukuthi yena ebecabanga ukuthi abamboni uma eyenza wonke lo mferiferi awuyenzayo. Uyakubona? But the one lady that we spoke to, who was explaining at a point in time, kusho ukuthi it was like a face off kanje at a point in time. Uyakubona, with umfana having the gun in his hand. So immediately after the shot, obviously he went down. Uyakubona, but lawa manye alandela bewasayaphi chona.
Yeah, because
like I mean, if eqala ingene ekhanda emove ichayile 2 entameni 3 ay. So you know, it just goes back to show njengoba ngisho ukuthi people who are familiar with him kuthiwa nje evuka ekuseni lo muntu he was raging, ngazi noma ibefuna ukuzibulala yena or what, but he's known for that character ukuthi ay yo sondela lapha yo ngisho kwantombi yakhona
hayibo.
uyakubona. So it's the confidence and the arrogance for me. The arrogance, like everyone, like mabangene enkantolo, like angazi yazi akekho noyi-one oke wathi sorry or oke wathi in like I understand, mara instead each time masihlangane ecourt uzobabona wearing their smug faces ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi uyaphuma lo wethu, so kahle kahle ilima yithi.
Yeah,
uyakubona, kahle kahle ilima yithi. Uyakubona, but wish into yalo mfana, but yeah, the stories are more or less the same from the witnesses. Uyakubona, the way he was shooting, you know, because still even after that he was having his gun tshela abantu ukuthi ningasondeli in because now people angibazama ukusondela. He was threatening everyone now. Isibhamu siyandiza nje emoyeni.
angadubula noma ubani.
Ungayibona leyo nto leyo. So inhliziyo yokwenza uyithatha kanjani, or are you human? Which oxygen are you breathing?
Yeah,
like uphefumula ntoni kanjani? Because from what the witnesses were explaining and what I saw when I first saw him, emakhazini laphayana, lifeless. Yeah, no, bekungathi athekwe ibhe umntana kithi. It was like he was wrestling a bear. And njengoba ngisho ukuthi le ndoda emnyama yenye inkunkumba nje embinyana nje igorilla bese ubheka uLebo ngomzimba omncane. Amara bafethu.
Eish.
Saturday, day of the burial. Yo, I had even forgotten ukuthi konje abambonanga.
Cause ingozi.
Now masekumele siyovula obviously kancane ukuthi umama akwazi ukumbona nogogo akwazi ukumbona.
Eish.
And when the sister came there, I remember her shouting at akusuLebo lona. Athi akusuLebo lo.
Because of the way bekangakhona.
Hayi nambe ngizophika. Hayi nambe ngizophika. Athi akusuLebo lo. And manje mangithi ngoba manje nami ngiyaphenika lapha yena ngithi manje makathi akusuLebo, did you take the
Maybe
wrong body
akusuwe,
or isithatha isidumbu sengiyatatazela kanti hayi eish.
The way yangakhona.
Another thing, yeah. Uyakubona. So ileyo nto leyo man, naleso sithombe leso, and the fact that asiyukuphinde simbone.
Sure.
Asiyukuphinde simubone. Looking at my calendar, my dates, nani, looking at some of the shows that were pre-booked that I need to go to, and I know ukuthi itinerary yami yonke into. Like mfethu, like sengiselengi angazi. Like that's what everyone is saying. Wonke umuntu uthi akazi because kamampela asazi. Indaba uLebo man usile uLebo he okay mara ngimbonile ke mara abantu ngizosho ukuthi hayi lo yanazi uzombona qhamuka. The way kodwa ke na my lord.
Yeah, ne. Askis to learn. Tell the listeners how is, I understand ukuthi kunzima and awukaka accept namanje mhlambe usavuka ebusuku uthi hayi man uze izongena icall yakhe or text yakhe or something. How is grieving and accepting this whole thing? Like, how are you doing it?
Kunomthetho ugobela wami wanginika wona. Well, it's not umthetho, ngizothi umthetho weshobo or whatever. Uthi inyanga ayizili.
Yeah.
Uyakubona? Inyanga ayizili. Ushito uthwanse uthwala ibheki.
Yeah.
Bantu bayagula. Ngeke ujikise isigule ekidingi. Ngapha bothokoza ejardini. You need to come out of it. Uyakubona, you need to come out of it. So at least on my end, I've got I've gotten the opportunity to give myself time to therapy. Yeah, because I was crashing down.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, I was crashing down. I still feel like still feel like I'm crashing down, but it's been therapy. I didn't want lento lena kusukuthi manje sekumele wenze in uzothatha wenza in for in. Yakubona, it's just dealing with the mental. Yakubona, so how have we been dealing? How have I been dealing? It's the work. It's the work because I need to be well, not for myself, but for my patients and my kids. So yeah, it's just been therapy twice a week, 3 times if critical kakhulu, yabona. But ileyo nto leyo yokuthi mele uyongena entombeni. Ayikho into ozoyenza uzodlana.
Vele.
Yabona leyo ndaba leyo. So bese umele uyashaya amathambo usebenza ngapho uyagowisha
Eish, awuney'nkinga zakho. Excuse.
sorry you know, but that's been helping as well because the minute ngingena isiguli uthulana uyachifta lokhalayo kubuye ubhubesi sengithi asambe siyavuma ushito uthule phila bese-ke nawe uma usoqeda ukuphuma entombeni yami songishiye ney'nkinga zakho manje sekuningi wena sowuphuma right sowupholile nje uma ngithi yakubona. But also even if it wasn't for that, I think ngabe umuntu uyaphambana ngoko. No. I'm still asking myself, how am I still standing? How am I still standing from the fatigue, from the ntontoni ayuze yakhala?
Hey, seku-loudspeak.
Bafethu mina ngisesemncane hle.
Aren't we all?
Yo. Uyakubona, so it's really been something else. Sihleli thina ngokungazi into zangomsa sizazi. Yabona ya makushiwo njalo iyo lesibhekane nayo ukuthi ngempela nothing can ever prepare you for what life can throw at you.
True.
Nothing can ayikho. Umuntu malala phenduke. Avuke kusena decide ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ini, whether ufuna ukuyobulala, ufuna ukudampa, ufuna ukwenzani, ufuna like whatever. I'm just so sad ukuthi how much of a monster can you be to do such a thing? So brutal, so horrible.
Yeah, really, what was happening?
I mean, if you're trained for a firearm or whatever, if mhlawumbe uyakhuza ungadubula a warning shot or umshaye enyaweni or umshaye kuphi lo muntu he is a professional and a licensed killer, so uyayazi into ayenzayo, so uyenze ngenhloso vele. Akusukuthi bekunesibhamu usafike sathathwa umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi mamela.
Eish.
Go sisikelele Africa.
Hayi, amen.
Go sisikelele Africa. Yeah, no, iyathusa yonke lento eyenzakalayo in our country, in our communities, everywhere. The very same people who are supposed to be protecting us, yibo abasibulalayo.
Yeah.
Yibo abasibulalayo, and when such things happen,
Bese singathole sizo from the very same people.
They are protected by section tontono of Act number 19
Esingazazi.
Yeah.
I-language yabo e-understandwa yibo.
Yeah, so I wonder how does the family yakhe look at him? I wonder what does it feel like to the mother knowing that you've given birth to a monster?
Eish. Kodwa mhlamba bazi angithi yanothi self defense. So nomzali naye ngiyacabanga ukuthi uthatha whatever leyo mntana akhe ayishoyo and umfilela sorry. Ngiyasho nje thulani sizothini, because I mean akekho umzali ongajabulela ukuthi mina ngizela umntwana owenza izinto ezi-wrong, because if uyayivumela lento leyo kusho ukuthi nawe unenkinga.
It's the attitude for me.
Okay.
It's the attitude for me. That's why no one's showing remorse. Instead, they are confident to say, "Hayi, uyaphuma umntanethu.
Eish.
Sizwenza nanoma yini." Irregardless, yazi ikhona into yokuthi yazini bafethu yo, awu mndeni wakasikhuthe ayikho vele into esingayenza at this point in time, kodwa kena nothing.
So abakayenzi nokuza.
Instead wazofaka i-makeup bathi babe bahle bathi siyabangena.
Oh Nkosi yami.
You know, to a point ukuthi I even saw one of my colleagues khona laphayana e-court engamgcina kudala naye uthi hayibo Thulani, I saw the stories on your thing. Lo muntu sihlala naye laphayana asimazi umuntu kanje athi hawu ngempela. But njengoba ngisho ukuthi hayi siyamlahla isibhoko sakhe uke wayicula yazi ifisho lehlangene namanzi. Yeah, no, because from that, having that conversation with that colleague of mine to say ukuthi this is what happened, after ezizwele uTshepiso Makame estandini ezikhulumela kuyazwakala nje ukuthi no mamela ayikho lento uyikhulumayo. Ayikho ayikho ngoba ingekho. Uyakubona. So I mean aren't we all like that? Because we've got multiple personalities. We are ntontoni uyakubona. So bangamazi enjalo kodwa ke na
bangazi linye side.
Yazi iqiniso likuphi? Lisemehlweni.
Yeah, true.
Ngeke uzulususe lapho ngisho sekuthiwa uphethe umuthi bathe faka izandla batenza ngeke lisemehlweni.
So wenzani emehlweni yashalaza?
Hey. Lebu boyapi lebu ayinawo yazi mara yabona mara ezinye izinto. Yeah, ibhlungu iyaxaka, you know. Because njengoba ngisho Lebu's house is here, down the thingy, it's my thingy. So I'm like, okay, mhlawumbe uye wayendlini wangangithola, then you decided ukuyalena.
Ehambele.
Like because uleba akusumuntu manje nestrati nayo yonke. Istrati sisingena ngoba mele sosebenza. If sisemagigini siyashuta ama music film. Mara eyokuthi ntontoni kwamina nje ndoda hayi asithenga ama apple juice sihlale phansi endlini. Uyakubona? So leyo ukuthi mhlawumbe he went out looking for fun or for ntontoni so nami ngiyazibuza ukuthi or like angazi.
So njengoba uthi bekungasumuntu ohambayo phumayo, would you say ilanga lakho malifikile?
Hey,
because I mean if ngajwayelanga ukuphuma ngiyele and then all of a sudden ngenza something very foreign to me and then angisabuye ekhaya mhlambe I don't know, ngizama ukuchaza leyo nto leyo ukuthi mhlambe vele it happens ikona leyo nto leyo yokuthi mase kuyisikhathi kusuka noma ngabe ungayenzani but makuyisikhathi kuzoyenzeka.
Yeah, angazi singasho khona ukuthi khona kunjalo. Uyakubona. Angazi singasho ukuthi khona kunjalo. Kodwa indlela hambe ngayo mntana kithi.
Ibhlungu.
Ayibona uma sekuthiwa isikhathi sakho sifikile I don't know. Yeah, mhlawumbe yiyo leyona leyo nto leyo ukuthi isikhathi sakho mase sesifikile but I'm still on the thing yokuthi kangaka pho. Awusathi ke na umshaya kayi-1 aphile ke nomntana kithi.
Alimale esibhedlela.
How or like kangaka ngalendlela brutally so. Mameshana.
Ube yenza njengoba usho ukuthi bekuyinhloso.
It was intentional, you know, it was intentional. You know what, there are many ways esingayihlahluba siyidikide ngayo or break it down. Nama scientists angafika actually ukuthi no, there was something toxic in the air or whatever. Singayibhula siyibhulile or whatever, but it still doesn't justify.
It doesn't. And ayimbuyisi futhi.
It still doesn't justify ngale ndlela lena engisho ngayo ukuthi like kangaka. So you hayi man, hey yo angokhalela umoya walo yamfana, like I don't wish, angazi ukuthi umoya or yidimo or yini, but whatever it is, wow, it makes me feel like we are living in the end of times. I'm scared.
Ish.
I'm scared. And ekuthukeni kwami ngithukile mara ngithukanga. You know, because I'm tired. Like honestly, if I didn't wake up today, I'd be being sharp. Like I'm tired. I've been scared of dying for so long. But I'm tired. Like ichayile mfana.
Khathele.
No, ichayile. You know. But angazi nginenkolelo yokuthi makuwukuthi isikhathi sakho sesifikile or siyasondela. Iyafika le ngilosi yokufa. Noma eyokuphila, kodwa iyafika leyo ngilosi. Uzoyibona ene mhlawumbe izokubuza ukuthi
Ready na? Already?
uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Mina impilo 100 uthulane 0. Ngidliwe ngibuzile.
Yeah.
Ngizamile chum. But I'm tired. And if ulebe angahamba so easily, ayisho asiphephanga sonke.
True.
That's why I'm scared, but I'm also not scared. This world is so cruel.
That's the problem.
Yeah, this world is so cruel. Hawe ma. Yazi ngathi ungacela uNkulunkulu ama ingredients ukuthi uma ukhanda umuntu wafakani khona le one yayi ngoba le yayifaka lapha yana yona hayi. Angazi noma cinnamon or yini akayikhiphe.
Eish. Ngoba isenza izinto wrong.
Because humanity esinye species nje esithusayo. Siyathusa, we are living like animals. Why are we hunting and preying on each other?
Yeah.
Why? Yeah, so it's okay. It's okay. Let us navigate and see what tomorrow brings and holds. Yeah. Mina ngisaplane futhi. Ngisaplane angisayenzi fokong. Ngisaplane angisayenzi fokong. Ngizawubona khona.
Uphila for the now.
Uyafuna ke ufuna man of song anginathi sibaningi manje kunothulane kuno man of song kunomkhulu ubhubesi kuningi
emntwini one
ukubona so that's why angisaplane if uyangifuna okay ngifuna kusasa sharp wena leyo ukuthi ngoDecember ngoJanuary angikho ukuthi ngizombona
ubonga nje ilanga malidlulile
yeba mfethu baphumlile basemhlabathini baphumlile basemhlabathini. I used to see life as this beautiful thing that each day it's blossoming roses and stuff, but it's proving to be toxic.
Yeah,
it's proving to be toxic, and I'm confident in what I'm saying because ngiyazibona lezi zinto almost on a daily basis esigodlweni. Shela bakwami. Oho, kodwa. Like angazi, okay, baba khona. Baba khona, it's a 50-50 tonton because ngizosuke ngicabanga ezinye izinto, but esikhathini esiningi umuntu makacabanga ukuvuka eyinyangeni usuke efuna ukuqeda ngomunye umuntu.
Eish.
Hey bese kube yizo lezo inyanga futhi esiba protectayo yithi esiba protectayo sibaqinisayo ngithi ngoba maqeda ukubulala lapha yena ugijima uza kupha into uzakubhubisa bese wenzani yamgeza hayi bese seka scot free.
Eish.
Gogo speaking gogo.
Eish. Sikhohle ukuthi impilo le at the end of the day.
Le subscription ngiyenzile la. Hayi bengingazi I did not know. Hayi le tikiti ngilithengile abanginike lona
Ngathi ungalishintsha
mzala, But even still with that, because I don't want to sound like I'm depressed. No, uyabona. There's still the good side of life, and the only good side of life is within, is inside.
True.
I feel like that's the only safe space, and you must protect it. Uyabona. So with everything going on, feel like umuntu makazivalele asithole khoneni lakhe noNkulunkulu wakhe.
Ish.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yena ilapho injalo. Ilapho injalo. Ziyakhala kubuhlungu, ngeke ziphele. Like September will never be the same.
It won't.
Year
Every
in,
year.
year out. Year in, year out. Year in, year out. It's always going to come back to this. Uyakubona. We live in a world where ututhatha ifoni nje uscrolla nangu live laphayana.
Ish.
Ama memories yilogo, abanye ilama activation nama justice for labo ntontoni, like is a lot.
Yeah. Mawukhuluma nathi uye wasitshela ukuthi you are very thankful to the community. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi they spread the word njengoba usho ukuthi nabo Justice for Lebu were there and stuff. What would you say to the community after everything? Senimncwabile, yes, nisase kuleyo case, but what would you say to the community? Whether they came through basiza or they didn't, but what's your message?
My message to the community is izandla zidlula ikhanda. Izandla zidlula ikhanda, you know, because with having to plan and prepare for a burial, there was no way we could have managed yonke lento Justice for Lebu on ourselves. You know, that just went to show ukuthi akusithi kuphela silahlekelwe.
True.
You know, akusithi kuphela isilahlekelwe. Bekungekho buzo munye ukuthi ini bobona abantu sebagcwele egedini, kuyamashwa, kuyiwe ama-police station, kwenziwa lokuyana, you know. So izandla zidlula ikhanda, sengathi le unity ekhona ngangangenwa uSathane. Ngoba uSathane ungena ngeindlela eziningi.
True.
I always say ukuthi inhliziyo ithakatha ukudlula umuthi. So masingaba inhliziyonye ngicishe ngathi sithandaneni kahle kahle, asikho isidingo sokuthandana, asitolerateaneni because masithandana sinamanga. Ngizothi akunanto namanga njengothando. So asiyekele ukuthi sithandane, asitolerateaneni, let's be honest with each other.
True.
Let me know how you feel, let me know, vice versa.
Yes.
Uyakubona, and then if we can find a way to work together, then let's keep it at that. Uyakubona. So uthando noxolo nangomso nakwabanye benze ngokunjalo, uyakubona. But Mosheto utsolapile, and mina ngine-believe ukuthi umuntu nomuntu uyazibambela umsebenzi wakhe, yakubona. So whoever and whatever contributed what, or whatever contribution they made, ngiyazi ukuthi uLebu uzobabonga one way or another. Bazosho ukuthi hayi bengingadoyidoyela mahala laphayana, bengingayenzi in. So may they receive blessings. May they receive blessings, and iloko.
Nizweleke bafethu, uThulani says to the community ubonga a lot, uthi izandla zindlula ikhanda with everything that the community did in helping them try and like solve this thing ngendlela right, and also look forward to the funeral. The hashtags that went on with the Justice for Lebu, they really helped a lot, and they also played a role in trying to calm them down, at least ukuthi babe ready in facing the funeral. I did say we are still here at Sacred Dialogue, and this one is a very emotional one. This is a space where we call people to come and dig into their life experiences, and sometimes it gets very, very emotional. But thank you very much for tuning in, and please join us next time. Siyabonga bhuti.
Hey, mtasekhaya kubonga mina. Thank you for having us. May you also receive blessings.
Thank you.
Together with your team. Thank you, and we appreciate, for platforms like this, so that word can get out. And yeah, makudedu bumnyama kuvela ukukhanya.
Siyabonga. Before you leave, singathanda nje if you can share your social media handles. Mhlambe, if there's anybody out there who wants to reach out,
Right.
athi Thulani nalo usizo or Thulani
Yes.
fonelani lana bazonisiza ukuthi basize case yenu, or mhlambe khona umuntu naye owaziyo ukuthi what really happened, then azokwazi reach out. Please share your social media and also your numbers.
So personally, Facebook and Instagram, it's Uthulane Sabela Mhlalose. Man of Song. Angisazi ukuthi eyiphi mara khona Man of Song khona Uthulane. Zongithola is Man of Song no Thulane Mhlalose. And then we have an active Facebook page for the movement, the initiative. Nakia? Yakubona? It's called Justice for Lebo on Facebook.
Okay.
Also on TikTok, it's Justice for Lebo. And then you can also reach out via calls, WhatsApp or SMSs on 060-356-1687. That is where you will be able to reach me. And then, ngiyacela usizo lamkelekile kakhulu. And please do reach out. Love and light.
Yes, Wafetu and ngishilo futhi ukuthi please do help and assist Uthulani and his family in finding a justice for Ulebo. Please go on the TikTok, Facebook pages, and also follow Nabo ubasize in any way that you can. As I said, from me, Utubelihle Wagwadunga, this is The Sacred Space on Echo Point TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye.